Hi everyone, welcome to Mystic Queen PH. For those who are new here, my name is Rowena. I'm an intuitive tarot reader here on YouTube for almost 2 years now. In today's reading, we will see what are the energies coming to your love life this 2024. But before we begin, I just want to give a huge shout out to Keen for sponsoring this video. If you're looking for a reading personalized to your unique situation, Keen connects you with gifted psychics, tarot readers, and astrologers. All you have to do is to create an account and choose an advisor from the hundreds of readers online. These readers have unique specialties designed to provide guidance to your situation. You can choose whichever reader best suits your goals, and you'll be able to connect with them via phone call or text chat. You can always have a reading whenever you want, wherever you are, because Keen is available to help you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I always get a reading from Keen just to see what are the energies coming to me each month, and it helps me align with whatever goals that I have for the month. That's why it's still best to get a personal psychic reading because it is directed only to your energies. Now, here's your chance to get a personalized reading from Keen. As a new customer in Keen, you can try your first 5-minute reading for only $1. Just go to trykeen.com/QOP or click the link in my description to connect with a Keen advisor. You can also scan this QR code so you can easily access the website. This is a great deal to start a psychic reading online. Imagine it's only $1 for a 5-minute reading. Again, that's trykeen.com/QOP. The link is on the description and on the pinned comment to get a reading and enjoy a huge discount. Thank you so much for sitting through that, and thank you so much, Keen, for this opportunity. Now, let's go to your reading.
Okay, Sagittarius, let's see what are the energies coming to your love life ngayong 2024. So this is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. Thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay, and pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mystic Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Okay, let's see, Sag. Ano ang energies ng love life nyo ngayong 2024? Oh, Chiron, healing. Healing from your past. 9th house, seeking. O, may pag-travel sa inyo. And then, 10th house. Okay, so, for you, Sag, mas magpo-focus ka ngayon sa career. Maaring you are still in the process of healing from your past, healing yung mga disappointments mo sa relationship. And ngayon, naghahanap ka ng ng clarity, naghahanap ka ng peace of mind. Oo, yung iba sa inyo mas gusto na mag-travel ngayong 2024. Kasi part yan ng healing process eh. Mas nakakapag-heal tayo pag nagta-travel tayo because we get to enjoy nature, we get to connect with nature, and yung energy na yan, yung stress, yung pain, na i-release mo yan sa nature. Yes. So, you are also developing yourself. You are releasing those nega energies around you through travel. Yung iba naman, learning. Oh my God. So, this is your energy. Strings attached. The devil. So, pwedeng naging very stressful or toxic yung situation ninyo sa relationship. Let's see, ano pa. What is the devil card? 8 of Wands. I feel like, ngayong 2024, you are trying to get away from a toxic situation, toxic relationship. Pwede kasing, yung hindi pa talaga totally final yung connection mo sa isang tao. May tendency ka pang bumalik sa kanya, may tendency pa na mag-reconcile, may tendency pa na maulit-ulit yung same issue ninyong dalawa. But I think you're really trying your best to get out of that situation. Yung marupok ka pa. Ay, andyan ka na naman, tinutukso-tukso, ganon. So, mahirap yan kasi, kung ikaw ay nag-heal tapos biglang, ayan na naman siya, no? Tinetempt ka na naman. So, paano ka mag-heal kung magiging marupok? 'Di ba? So, what is your challenge? Ano yung challenge ng mga Sag? Knight of Cups and the Four of Cups. Ang challenge sa inyo is, yung mahanap nyo talaga, yung person na talagang gusto nyo, no? Someone who is magfo-fall sa standards mo. Pwede kasing yung mga yung mga nagpapakita ng interest sa'yo, hindi mo gusto. So, gusto mo pa rin si toxic person. Kahit na merong interesado sa inyo, hindi nyo siya type. So, paano ka makaka-move on kung hindi mo bibigyan ng chance rin yung iba? But of course, hindi mo naman kailangan pilitin yan kasi pwedeng, yung tinatawag na, yung iba napasok sa relationship para makalimutan yung ex, no? Ang ending, hindi naman nagwo-work din. So, parang rebound. So, yan yung challenge sa inyo na umiwas sa rebound. Mag-heal muna bago pumasok sa new relationship. So, let's see your opportunity. Ano yung opportunity ng mga Sag? The Moon. Seven of Coins. It takes time. Sabi dito, good things takes time. Take time. The Moon is about your emotions, your instinct, your fears, protection. So, ngayon, you have the opportunity to sit in with your emotions. So, ibig sabihin yan, magiging aware ka sa nararamdaman mo. Yung iba, kasi, kapag malungkot sila, dinideny nila na malungkot sila. So, naghahanap sila ng escapism, no? Tinatakasan nila yung lungkot na yan. Nagbi-binge watch sa Netflix, nag-scroll sa TikTok ng 5 oras, yung mga ganon, para maiwasan nila yung feeling ng pain, ng disappointment, betrayal. But, ngayong 2024, you have the opportunity to connect with your emotions. Na talagang be more patient sa emotions mo. Na hindi ganon kadali na maging aware dyan. Oo, natanggapin. Kung kailangan mong umiyak ka, no? Ganon. So, let's see naman ang iyong blessing. Ano yung blessing sa mga Sag sa love life? The Hermit, spiritual mastery, and the King of Coins, the Page of Wands. So, ang nakikita ko sa inyo rito, Sag, there is blessing in your peace of mind. There is blessing in being a single, no? You are, like what I mentioned kanina, you're going to focus on your career. So, mas maganda na ibaling mo yung attention mo sa mga kapaki-pakinabang na bagay. Kasi marami kang talento, marami kang kakayanan na kung saan dun mo mas magagamit yung iyong mga skills, no? And also traveling. Alam niyo, maraming magagandang mangyayari sa inyo sa pagta-travel ninyo. You will experience wonderful things. May madidiscover ka pa sa sarili mo na hindi mo akalain na meron ka pala nun. May twin flame. This is also balance, no? Complementing each other. So, I think, pagdating sa pakikipagrelasyon, gusto mo, nakakomplement nyo ang isa't isa. Okay? Tinan mo, may codependency, may obsession. Engagement ring. Okay. So, yung iba kasi sa inyo, Sag, pwedeng parang, I'm not calling you out naman, no? But there are some people kasi na, na-obsess sa isang relationship just because gusto nila na nasa relationship sila. Alam mo yun, na ayaw nila na masabihan na, single ka, mag-isa ka lang, walang may gusto sa'yo, yung mga ganon. So, ngayon, now it's the time for you to love yourself. Na you can be very happy on your own. Na hindi mo kailangan mahanap yung happiness na yan sa iba. Oo. Although, some people can make us feel that happiness. Pero, kung yun, dun lang tayo magre-rely sa iba, paano na lang pala kung wala sila, 'di ba? Look into your inner strength. You are stronger than you realize. Yes. Love endures. Love does not give up or lose faith. Love is hopeful and withstand every situation. So, hindi naman kayo mag-give up sa pagmamahal, no? Kumbaga, aayusin nyo lang muna ang inyong mga sarili. Para pag dumating na ang inyong person, the right person, then you are ready, diba? So, that is your reading, Sagittarius. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, nakaresonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Sagittarius. See you again.